Yoga is very effective in preventing and curing diseases as proven by many researches. But one must consult doctor before practicing yoga and practice under supervision of a yoga teacher. Along with yoga, healthy eating habits and certain food items also help in preventing and curing diseases.
7 poses for backache: Surya namaskar, Chakrasana, Dhanurasana, Bhujangasana, Konasana, Tadasana and Kati Chakrasana. Surya namaskar or sun salutation is a set of 12 asanas ideally performed at sunrise as worship to sun god. For each of the 12 asanas, there is a breathing pattern which has to be followed. Pranayama. Stand erect with your feet together and hands pressed together, palms touching and fingers pointing upwards in front of the chest. Breathing pattern, exhale. Hastottanasana. Stand erect with your feet together and stretch both arms above head and arc your body backwards. Breathing pattern, inhale. Padhastasana. Stand erect with your feet together and bend down in front without bending your knees. Place your hands on either side of your feet, aligning it with legs. Touch your palms on ground and head on legs. Breathing pattern, exhale. Ashwasanchalanasana. Bring right leg backwards and touch the right knee on the floor. Place the left foot between the palms and lift your head upwards. Breathing pattern, inhale. Parvatasana. Bring the right leg next to left and place hands shoulder width apart on ground. Raise hips and move head between arms so that body is in a triangle shape. Breathing pattern, exhale. Ashtanga Namaskar. Slide the body down, keeping the hips in a way that all 8 limbs are touching the floor. 8 limbs are toes, knees, hands, chest and chin. Breathing pattern, maintain a state after exhale. Bhujangasana. Lie down on your stomach, keeping the legs and feet together. Place both the hands shoulder width apart in front of your chest. Lift your body above navel, balancing it on hands and turn your head upwards. Breathing pattern, inhale. Parvatasana. Raise hips and move head between arms so that body is in a triangle shape. Breathing pattern, exhale. Ashwasanchalanasana. Bring left leg backwards and touch the left knee on floor. Place the right foot between the palms with right knee touching the chest and lift your head upwards. Breathing pattern, inhale. Padhastasana. Stand erect with your feet together, bend down in front without bending your knees. Place your hands on either side of your feet, aligning it with legs, with palms touching the ground and head touching the legs. Breathing pattern, exhale. Hastottanasana. Stand erect with your feet together and stretch both arms above head, arcing your body. Breathing pattern, inhale. Pranayama. Stand erect with your feet together and hands pressed together, palms touching and fingers pointing upwards in front of the chest. Breathing pattern, exhale. Surya Namaskar is amazing exercise which cures lot of diseases like asthma, backache, bronchitis, constipation, diabetes, low blood pressure, obesity, skin diseases, and tonsillitis. As a precaution, people suffering from sciatica pain, hernia, and pain around lower part of spinal column should not practice Surya namaskar. They can practice after these diseases are cured through medication or through practice of other asanas. Chakrasana. Lie down on the back, keeping the feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees at knee level, keeping the feet close to hips. Place your palms on either side of the head with fingers pointing towards the body. Raise your body upwards, keeping the palms and feet flat on the floor. Elbows should not bend and roll your head inside, pointing towards legs. Breathing normally, maintain the position for a comfortable duration. Chakrasana slows down aging process, reduces fat, trims waist and broadens shoulders. It strengthens legs, shoulders, spinal cord and abdominal area, improves digestive system, cures addiction, asthma and backache. People suffering from high blood pressure, ulcer and heart diseases should not practice. They can practice after these diseases are cured through medication and practice of other yoga asanas. Dhanurasana. Lie down on the stomach, keeping feet a little apart. Holding your left ankle with left hand and right ankle with right hand, pull legs and chest upwards, balancing the body on navel area. Move your head towards legs and look upwards. Hands should be straight. Dhanurasana alleviates shoulder and back pain, improves digestive system and alleviates constipation problems. It strengthens legs, arms, spinal cord and abdominal area, cures addiction, arthritis, asthma, back pain, depression and menstrual disorder. People suffering from hernia should not practice Dhanurasana.
Bhujangasana. Lie down on your stomach, keeping the legs and feet together. Place both the hands shoulder width apart on either side of your chest. Lift portion of body above navel, balancing it on hands and turn your head upwards. Bhujangasana reduces fat and trims waist, strengthens abdomen muscles and improves digestive system. Cures arthritis, backache, bronchitis, constipation, diabetes, insomnia and menstrual disorder. Imparts beauty to face.
Trikonasana. Stand erect, keeping your feet more than shoulder width apart. Stretch your arms sideways at shoulder level, parallel to floor. Turn torso to the right, moving the right hand downwards to the right leg with right palm touching the leg. Straighten your left hand over the head, parallel to floor with palms facing the floor. Repeat the same for other side. Konasana reduces back pain, makes body lighter and imparts beauty to face, removes cough and strengthens lungs, helps in increasing height, also cures backache and tonsillitis. People suffering from sciatica pain and pain around lower part of spinal column should not practice. They can practice after these diseases are cured through medication or practice of other yoga asanas.
Tadasana. Stand on your toes, keeping the feet together and stretch both your arms above head with both palms facing away from body. Another posture is standing on toes and stretching arms above head, interlocking fingers with palms facing upwards. This asana can also be practiced by raising only right hand and keeping the left hand down near the left thigh. Similarly, it can be practiced by raising only left hand and keeping the right hand down near the right thigh. Tadasana helps in increasing height, good for ladies during pregnancy, removes tiredness, cures backache, constipation and digestive problems. Kati Chakrasana. Stand keeping feet shoulder width apart. Twist the trunk and hands to extreme left. Keep the left hand straight parallel to floor and bend right hand at elbow so that portion of right hand from elbow to fingers is in front of chest and parallel to ground. Repeat it for other side. Kati Chakrasana trims waist, broadens chest, makes spine flexible, strengthens hands, stomach, back, neck and hands, helps in releasing excess air or gas in body, improves functioning of liver, helps in increasing height, cures backache and constipation.